when you started to stress to people the skills that they were gaining rather than what they're getting, so you kind of flipped it round to what was in it for them, because you'll be able to look at things like your communication and coaching skills, and we can say, well, that's a leadership capability that is required by every organization, vital skills that you need to have.
A school-based mentoring program may be looking at increasing school connectedness, peer relationship, and to a large extent, better academic performance. At the same time, a youth-based mentoring program, let's say for a foster care home, may have a slightly different set of outcomes. So there are a lot of reasons to mentor youth. Quality can be measured only when the outcome is specific.
ट्राइबल यूथ के साथ मोस्टली हम देखते हैं ऑर्डर मोड में बात चलती है, या तो वो हमसे कहते हैं कि ऐसा करना है या हम कहते हैं कैसे करना है। ये हमें बहुत समय बाद एक आइडिया लगा कि स्पेस शायद क्यूरेट करना पड़ेगा, कुछ क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, जहाँ पे एक तो हम को क्रिएट करें, और को क्रिएशन में कोलैबोरेशन की जब बात आती है तो वो बेसिकली कोलैबोरेशन मेंटरिंग में लिबरेशन है, श्रम लगता है, लेबर है बेसिकली। मेंटरिंग सिर्फ ये कुछ मतलब एक जॉर्गन नहीं है, ये बहुत ही एक ऐसी चीज़ है शायद जो लोगों को साथ लाने में, को क्रिएट करने में मदद करती है।
The big picture areas where we really think there is a scalable model for mentoring which could in the decades to come be something that is seen from a policy lens and evidence lens and have really some greater structure to it. And I think employability emerged from a lot of conversations that we were having, the natural traction that we were seeing come to the forefront in the last 3-4 years.
For one of the departments, which was vocational education and skilling, the need was that we need mentoring and counseling support pre-registration. This came from the vocational education, so it was for ITIs. We need it pre-registration, we need it while they are in it, we need career counseling, and we need post-mentoring support, placement support, and to look at retention, which means conversion from being an apprenticeship to an employee.
Often we see that everyone works in silos. Government, we work in silo, NGOs are working in silo. When we all sit together in one room, we see that the ideas scale faster and the partnerships form naturally. So we will be able to achieve our joint objective of youth mentoring together faster. I feel that such summits brings us all together and help us scale greater heights.